nakikita niyo na buildings na yan, it's actually the phase 1, the horizon. We call it horizon terraces because of the slope here, because as you enter the gate, it's 260 meters above sea level, and going papasok, it's 240 meters above sea level. So, as what I've mentioned a while ago, Horizon Terraces is 3.2 hectares development with 4 condominium buildings and 3 townhouses. For the 3 townhouses, pinakikita nyo na fence na yon, it's actually the Townhouse 1. Ang name ng building natin is Scottsdale. It's due for construction. We only have 3 remaining units for that townhouse. And then, Townhouse 2, it's Glendale. And then, ready for occupancy na to. And then, this is Townhouse 3, Sunnyvale. This is already sold out.
Wow.
Yes, and we started turning over to buyers recently lang, this month of May. And then, dito sa kinatatayuan natin, this is the Condo 1. The name of the building is St. Andrews. We only have 1 unit left here. This is also ready for occupancy na. Baka ito na hindi ko And then, there are 3 remaining condo buildings na for construction. Yung Condo 2, yun dito. Yung name ng building is Glenview. This is due for turnover na. Hopefully, before end of this June. And then, Condo 3, West Chase. Yan din ang target naman namin to turn over by 3rd quarter. And then yung ongoing na construction, it's Redstone. Yung Condo 5 namin. Wala kaming numbers. Ayan. This is the development na nakita natin from the Selling and Marketing Office kanina. No? So this is the pioneer project of Midlands West. So, yung pre, bakit pre alba? Pre because it means land, and then alba because it means sublime or exalted. Put it together, pre alba means land of extreme beauty. Wow. Because you have 360 views here, no? Especially this area, kasi kita mas may better appreciation sana kung nandun tayo sa view deck. But as you can see naman, almost 360 degrees naman, may views tayo. Ayan. So, this is a 19.9 hectares development with a total of 231 lots, of which may 119 lots pa tayo na available. Ayun. So, ang elevation nitong project na to is 140 meters above sea level to 240 meters above sea level. Yan. Yung nakikita nyo na flags, yan yung parang temporary block markers natin. Kasi dun sa view deck natin, we have site development plan wherein naka-mark doon may mga dots na color coding para makita natin yung sana, kung nasa specific plots. Hindi pa kami naglagay ng permanent blocks because, like yung sa Primrose, because again, ongoing pa yung construction, nagsa-site grade pa tayo. Yeah.
So, from back.
Yes. Then, for the amenities, we have, we have Eco Park, kung nasaan yung view deck natin. We also have a clubhouse and virtual park.
Sorry to interrupt, pero umaambon.
Ay, sige po, sige.